Greetings and salutations. I am your host, Sasho. What exactly are the teams? Be randomized by me. Anyways, here are the teams. Okay, Car, that was hilarious. I want to hear it again. Challenge time, silly Willy Billy. First, we should cue the intro. So, start the intro! The first challenge is a boat. Yeah. It's a bomb boat challenge, just like Object Towel Again 12. Here are the rules. The rules are the same, but the team with all its members in the water will be up for elimination. 3, 2, 1, get in a boat! Hey team, we should probably have an advantage since we got loads of bombs to throw at the other team. How can we light them up? I have a lighter, silly. This. Huh? Boom! We are sorry to interrupt with an ad. Hey viewers, do you want infinite money? Then buy our infinite money generator. It will produce infinite money. It costs $99 vincentillion. Buy now! Now back to EOAS 1. You guys will pay! Heh, I have a nuke. Yeet! Do not comment to vote. Instead, the people on that team will be voting. See you in episode EOAS 2. Aw, we lost.